together when it seems all hope is gone, when people's lives are shattered and they've lost the will to go on. We reach out to the helpless, and with each passing day, we help them to rebuild their lives. This is the Red Cross way. On to the future, committed and proud, inspired by our noble history as we face the future now, alleviating human suffering and uplifting.
Talofa. My name is Taumeasina at Taumeasina Island Resort, and we saw online the other day that there was a Red Cross blood drive, and that they were having a few issues trying to get numbers. So we spoke as a management team and thought it would be a good idea to host a drive down here at Taumeasina. So yeah, we've got staff coming in and some guests. I've got some people from the Australian High Commission coming down later on today as well. It's such an important thing to do, especially with the dengue outbreak at the moment. There are people dying and people who are in need of blood, and blood costs us nothing and we can save a life. So that's why we've got together as a team, and hopefully we'll save some lives today. Donate
the blood, save life.
Give blood, save lives.
For ilo TOTO, FESOASOANI seola.
Kindred spirits who quietly move on in a quest to spread compassion. With all our hearts we sing a song. On to the future, committed and proud.
Talofa. I'm the sales and marketing manager for Taumeasina Island Resort, and our GM and our whole team have decided to give blood and help the children of Samoa going through a hard time with dengue fever. And giving blood is the best way to help. It's free, and why not? Thank you.
Give blood, save life.
Give blood, save life. Thank you.
TOTO, FESOASOANI seola.
Give blood, save life.
Give blood, save lives.